Integrating GetResponse with WordPress allows you to grow your email list and automate marketing efforts directly from your website. Here's how to do it. Install GetResponse plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for GetResponse and click Install Now on the official plugin. After installation, click Activate to enable the plugin. Connect GetResponse account. Once the plugin is activated, go to Settings, GetResponse in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Connect with GetResponse button. Enter your GetResponse API key. You can find the API key in your GetResponse account under Account Settings, Integrations API. Paste the API key into the plugin settings and save. Create a sign-up form. Inside your GetResponse account, go to Forms and create a sign-up form. Customize it as needed, then copy the embed code. Add the form to WordPress. Go to the page or post in WordPress where you want to add the form. Paste the GetResponse form code into the HTML section or use a widget to place it in your sidebar.